Good morning, students. Today start the third video of chapter 17, mensuration. Third video of chapter 17, mensuration. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere. To find the volume of a sphere, perform the following activity. Take a hollow sphere of any radius or negligible thickness and a hole at the top. Take an open right circular cone on the same radius, same height. Take an open right circular cone of the same radius as that of the sphere and same height. Fill the cone, stand up to brim and pour it into sphere through the hole. Repeat it 4 times. We observe to need a full pouring of sand and the cone into the sphere to fill is exactly follow. Volume of a sphere of any radius is 4 times volume of the cone, same radius and same height. Thus R unit in the radius of the sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 into volume of a cone of radius R and height R. Now volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Hence the volume of a sphere of radius R is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now spherical cell. The solid enclosed between the two concentric spheres is called a spherical cell. Let capital R and small r be the radii of the outer and the inner sphere. Now thickness of the cell capital R minus small r, volume of the material 4 by 3 pi bracket R cube minus small r cube. Now when a sphere is cut by a plane passing through its center, then the sphere is divided into two equal parts. Each part is called a hemisphere. Now cut surface area, half surface area of a sphere, half into 4 pi r square equal to 2 pi r square. Now total surface area equal cut surface area plus area of circular base. 2 pi r square plus pi r square equal to 3 pi r square. Hemispherical cell. This is your hemispherical cell. Thickness of the cell capital R minus small r. Area of the base pi r square minus small r square. External cut surface area 2 pi r square. Internal cut surface area 2 pi r square. Now total surface area 2 pi r square plus small 2 pi r square plus area of the top pi bracket r square minus r square. Now 3 bracket में pi bracket में 3r square plus r square. Volume 2 by 3 pi bracket r cube minus small r cube. Exercise 17.3 first question. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 14 cm. R is equal to 14 cm. Surface area formula is 4 pi r square. Put here the values. 4 into 22 upon 7. 7 2 is 14. Now multiply over here. 176 into 14 is equal to 2464 centimeter square. Answer. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 0.63 centimeter. R is equal to 0.63. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 3.14, 0.63, 0.63 and 0.63. Now cancel out the result. Here is 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Now multiply by 12.56, 0.21, 0.63 and 0.63. Multiply 2.6376 into 0.63 into 0.63. 1.04686344. Now approx 1.05 centimeter cube. Approx answer. Now question number 3. A shot put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 if the density of the metal 7.8 per gram centimeter cube. Find the mass of the shot put. Now R is equal to 4.9. R is equal to 4.9 centimeter. Density is equal to 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put here the value of pi 22.7, 4.9 and 4.9 into 4.9. Cut out this 7 7 is 49, 0.7. Now multiply of each other. Volume mass is equal to volume into density. Put here the values. Now 3 cancel out the 7.8. 3 2 is 6. 3 6 is 18. Now multiply over here. Now answer is like 3845.4416 gram divided by 1000 here. Goes to the kilogram. So 3.85 kg approx answer. Question 4. Find the diameter of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 154 centimeter square. Pi r square equal to 154. Putting the value of pi 22.7. 22 7 ja 154. 7 7 ja 49 upon 4. 49 upon 4 equal to 7 by 2 answer. Answer r equal to 7 by 2 radius. Now diameter equal to 2r. Diameter is equal to 2r. 2 into 7 by 2, 2 cancel here. Now 7 centimeter is the diameter. Question number 8. A sphere and a cube have the same surface so that the ratio of the volume of the sphere that of the cube is √6 ratio √pi. Let here surface area of the sphere equal to surface area of the cube. Surface area of the sphere equal to surface area of the cube. 4 pi r square equal to 6 a square. Now r square upon a square. 6 upon pi. Now r upon a is equal to √6 upon √4 pi. 4 की value 2 here. Now r upon a is equal to √6 upon 2 root pi. Now volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cube a cube. Now 4 by 3 pi √6 upon 2 root pi. √6 upon 2 root pi. √6 upon 2 root pi. Now √6 multiplied by 6. √6 multiplied by √6. Root pi multiplied by root pi is equal to pi. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Cancel out the result is now remaining is √6 upon root pi. √6 upon root pi. Volume of the sphere upon volume of the cube. √6 upon root pi. Next question number 11. If the volume of a sphere is 179 a whole number 2 by 3 centimeter cube, find its radius and the surface area. Volume of the sphere equal to 179 a whole number 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Now 4 pi 3 pi r cube is equal to 539 by 3. Put here the value 4 by 3, 3 cancel out here. Now value of r cube is equal to 7 by 2 का whole of cube. Now r is equal to 7 by 2. R is equal to 7 by 2. Now surface area 4 pi r square. Put here the value of r 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 cancel out here. 7 7 cancel. Now 22 7 is 154 centimeter square. Okay children, this video is over.